Hey folks, and welcome to week number 6. This week should be pretty straightforward. The real goal here is to write essay number 2. In order to help you do that, I got a couple quick things. Number 1, the sample essay 2. So this is a sample that was written based upon the Diet Soda article. So you can sort of see how this entire thing is carried out from getting the articles all the way through to the end, okay? So you take a look at that sample essay and what work was done there, the sorts of things they focus on, the sorts of language used. It should give you some good guidelines as to what I'm looking for, okay? Also, there's a video summarizing and paraphrasing. This is from another university's library. It's really useful, though, I think, to sort of highlight the difference between those two things, which seems to be the biggest struggle for students, is to know when they're summarizing and when they're paraphrasing, when something needs to be cited and when something doesn't, okay? So take a look at that before you write your essay, okay? If there are any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. I will be glad to help. You should, everything we've done in this unit so far, things like the scholarly article analysis, should help you to build essay 2. So if you don't know what to go put into essay 2, go back and take a look at your grid from last week, okay? As always, just give me a heads up if you've got questions.